A day with Emma. Emma wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. The alarm rings loudly and she quickly switches it off. But sometimes she hits snooze and sleeps for 5 more minutes. She gets out of bed, yawns, and stretches her arms wide. First, she brushes her teeth carefully with minty toothpaste. Then, she washes her face with cold water to wake up properly. Next, Emma goes to the kitchen for breakfast. Today, she chooses toast with marmalade, sweet and a little bit sticky. She also drinks a glass of orange juice. After breakfast, Emma decides what to wear. She picks her school uniform, a blue shirt, gray skirt, and comfy black shoes. She checks her bag twice to make sure she has her books, lunchbox, and homework. Emma leaves the house at 7:45 and walks to the bus stop. It's a sunny day, so she wears her favorite sunglasses. At the bus stop, Emma meets her friends. They talk about the latest TV shows and laugh a lot. When the bus arrives at 8:15, they all say hello to the driver and find their seats. At school, Emma enjoys her lessons. In maths, she counts carefully and solves problems with a smile. In English, she reads a funny story about a talking cat. During break time, Emma buys a chocolate biscuit from the tuck shop. She shares it with her best friend, Lily, and they giggle because Lily drops some crumbs on her jumper. At lunchtime, Emma eats a sandwich and drinks water. After eating, she plays football with her friends on the school field. Emma tries to score a goal but accidentally kicks the ball too hard. It flies over the fence and lands in the neighbor's garden. After school finishes at 3:15, Emma waits for the bus again. She talks to a new student who just moved to the town. Emma tells her about the best places to visit and where to buy the tastiest ice cream. At home, Emma does her homework. Sometimes it is easy, but other times it's tricky, especially spelling words. If she finds it hard, she asks her mum for help. After homework, Emma watches her favorite TV show, a comedy about a silly detective. She laughs so much she almost falls off the sofa. At 8 o'clock, Emma has dinner with her family. They eat pasta with tomato sauce. Her little brother tries to feed the dog under the table, which makes everyone laugh. Before bed, Emma reads a chapter from a book about magical adventures. She brushes her teeth again, puts on her pajamas, and gets into bed. Emma thinks about her day and smiles. At 10 o'clock, she turns off the light and falls asleep, ready for another fun day tomorrow.